All right, here we're getting into one of my favorite meals. Gonna add a little salt, a little pepper, a little oil in the pan. Move that oil around. Turn the burner on, medium heat, only when you're ready to put the fish on. Whoops, should have spread that oil around a little bit more. A little bit more salt, a little more pepper, because this is my favorite part of the fish to eat. Do a lid so it steams it nicely. We're doing 11 minutes on the first side here. That's because the burner is still warming up at this point. The reason why I turn the burner on when I'm ready to start and I don't preheat it is because I don't want to sear one side of the fish and then the other side of the fish and the middle not be cooked through. So this gives the fish more time to cook all the way through. 6 minutes on the second side. 145 degrees is all you need. Oh, so sad. But it'll still taste the same. Whether the green beans go with it, green bean saute.